Welcome back to my channel. In part 3 of PyRx Vina tutorial, through which we are going to dock multiple ligands at a single stretch, we are going to see how to prepare proteins and ligands. We are going to do this particular preparation of proteins and ligands in PyRx, and this will happen really in very short time. So in order to start this, let us enter into the PyRx software. So in order to prepare our protein and ligands, we should go to the PyRx. This is how the PyRx GUI looks. And now I'm going to load our protein through which I'm going to start preparing our protein. Here I'm selecting the cleaned protein. So if I open it, I can see it here, the cleaned protein. If I want to visualize this particular protein in different models, I can still see that by giving a right click on the protein, going to display, and by clicking different options which are over there, we can see different models and visualizing patterns. That's what in my part 1 I have said. The 3D visualizer was already integrated into the PyRx. As of now, I don't want this particular molecular surface or ball and stick, which we are going to see during analyzing of the results. So now I am going to prepare this particular cleaned protein for our autodock, which can be done in a single click. Give a right click on the protein, go to autodock and make this macromolecule. Click on this particular option, which will convert your PDB of the protein to a PDB QT, which you can witness this by clicking on autodock over here. Under macromolecule section, you can see 6Y3C clean. If you click on this, you can see it has been now saved as PDB QT, which means our protein preparation was completed. And now our next part is to prepare our ligands, for which I should go to Open Babel option over here. You can see Vina Wizard, Autodock Wizard, and the third one is Open Babel. If I click on this, and if you can go through here, you can see Insert New Item option over there. If you click on that, now you can start importing your structures, that is ligands, into the PyRx GUI. You can't import all the ligands at a time. You have to do import one by one, as we have selected 4 ligands for this particular tutorial. I have taken all 4, and now I'm going to minimize the energy of these 4 selected ligands by selecting this option, minimize all. So the energy has been minimized now, and next is I'm going to prepare them for autodock by converting all of them to autodock ligands, that is PDBQT. So now I'm going to click on this option, where you can see now 4 ligands might have came here. That is, we have prepared our protein, which is in PDBQT format, and we have also prepared our 4 ligands, which all are in PDBQT format. This means that we have completed our preparation of protein and ligands. So with this, we have done the job of this part. Preparation of our protein and ligands. In the next part, we are going to see how we are going to run this Vina docking simulation. If you like the content of this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.